Hi there, this is Penelope. This is just a correction to MG5004 DE5418 assignment 4, question 4. It doesn't work as it stands, so let's have a look at the correction. The question should read, the equation of a curve xy cubed. That's the bit that's missing in the question, and if you don't have that bit in your question, obviously you don't get the right answer. Let's have a look at how to do this. I'm not going to do all of it, obviously, but let's make a start on it. It's one that you need to differentiate carefully. Everything's all tied up. There's x's and y cubes and y squared all mixed up together, so you have to differentiate it implicitly. And also there's a product there and there's a product there, so you've got to use the product rule as well. So the derivative of xy cubed is going to be x times the derivative of the y cubed term, which would be 3y squared times dy by dx, plus y cubed times the derivative of x, which of course is 1, minus 2x squared times the derivative of y squared, which would be 2y dy dx, minus the derivative of 2x squared, which is 4x times y squared, plus the derivative of x to the 4, which would be 4x cubed. Derivative of 1 is 0, is still equal to 0. Now, collecting up your dy by dx terms gives you 3xy squared minus 4x squared y is equal to 4xy squared minus y cubed minus 4x cubed. And then rearranging gives you that the derivative is equal to 4xy squared minus y cubed minus 4x cubed divided by the left-hand side 3xy squared minus 4x squared y. And if you sub in the point required, x equals 1, y equals 2, then the derivative as required equals 1. So that's the first half of the question.